Guys, welcome to TechEJ YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the tar command. Okay, and what is the use cases of tar command and how we can just use it. Okay, so just go here. Like tar, basically tar is stand for the tab archive. Okay, which is used to create archive and extract the archive files. Okay, tar command is a Linux one of the most important command which provide archiving functionality. It's also provide the archival plus compression functionality. So here provides archiving and compression. So generally we think archiving as a both. It means archiving means generally we think about just binding um, some set of files into one and reducing the size. But archiving and compression are two distinct functionality. Okay, so we can use the Linux tar command to create compressed or uncompressed archive files and also maintain and modify them. Okay, like if we talk about the archive, then archive file is a file that is composed of one or more files along with metadata. Archive files are used to collect multiple data files together into a single file for easier portability and storage. Okay, so it uses the same amount of disk space. The archive file is not compressed. Okay, when just we use the archive tar archive option, then it's not compressed because the compression is a completely distinct operation. Okay, so let's talk about the compressed file. Like a compressed file is a collection of file and data are stored in one file and stored in a way that uses the less disk space than all the individual files and directories combined. Okay, like tar command has both functionalities. It means tar command can do both archival plus compression. Okay, so let's talk about the tar command options. So like tar command first accept the option, then archive file and the file or directory to be archived. So it is the name of our archive file name which we want to take, which we want to give. Okay, like option include first of all, most important option is hyphen C. It's create an archive by bundling files and directories together. And hyphen X is for extracting the file from the archive. Okay, and hyphen F is the file name of the archive to be created or extracted. Okay, and hyphen T display all is the file and directory contained within a archive. Okay, same hyphen U is used for archive and add new file or directory to an existing archive. Okay, and hyphen B is used for display verbose information providing detailed output during the archiving or extraction process. And similarly, hyphen A concatenates the multiple archive file into single archive. Okay, hyphen Z uses the gzip compression when creating a tar file. Okay, and hyphen J uses the bzip compression. And also one more compression is there, which is xz compression. Okay, for that we can use the capital J. Okay, like here we can just add one more line like hyphen capital J. Okay, we can add one more option here. Control C, Control V. This is for uses the XZ compression when creating a tar file resulting in a compressed file archive that is the tar dot xz extension. So extension will be tar.xz. So these are the three different extent. Basically, compression method are available in tar. So like here, I will try to bold it so that. So these are the most important thing. These are the compression method. Like hyphen J uses the gzip and hyphen J uses the bzip too and capital J hyphen capital J uses the xz compression. So if we talk about the so hyphen Z is fast, but comparatively it will it hyphen Z is fast, but compressed size will be like between the 40 to 60%. Okay, and it will uh, compress file size will be lesser. Okay, to lesser to basically it compared to for compressed 40 to 60%. If you talk about these 40 to 60%, and hyphen j is a bit slow than ggip, but compression power is about 60 to 70, you can say. Okay, it can compress size up to 60%. So it can compress from 60 to 70%. Okay, and hyphen j is the slowest, but compression is lowest, but have more compression power than above commands. Okay, so uh, if someone um, someone asks from you what is the difference between the hyphen small j and capital J, then you can elaborate that. Small j uses the bgp to compression algorithm, where is capital J hyphen capital J uses the exact. But which one is like if uh, okay, I will explain in practical. So like XZ is the slowest among all, but its compression power is uh, more than among all. Okay, so this is the overall idea. Like hyphen W option verifies the integrity of an archive file, ensuring its content are not corrupted, and hyphen R update or adds file or directory to an already existing archive without recreating the entire archive. Okay, so let's start with our practical session. Okay, just I will go here and log in. Okay, so let first of all create. Okay, I will first use the pwd command. Okay, like we are in root. So just go to just here we will create a three files. Like we are creating that file 1, 2, 4. Okay, we created 4 files. You can see here like file 1, file 2, file 3, and file 4 is here. Let's we'll copy. Okay, what can we can do right now? Okay, let's create a also a directory of with star. Okay, we create a star directory here. Cd okay, first of all we have to create. Okay, we created a tar directory here, and we copy the etc data to tar. Okay, now just cd to tar and ls here. Okay, we have a etc Okay, etc name directory. We copied basically etc. Uh, this is our etc directory. So if you see the size of etc, so what will be the size of etc? It's okay, it's showing in individual file size, but we have to just see the one file size, so we can just use the command like du hyphen sh here. Okay, now we can see the size of our etc is 29 MB. Okay, so what we are going to do? First of all, let we just create some more directory here, some more file here. So we can just use the touch command. Okay, touch file 1 to 5. Okay, let's hear. Now we have one directory here and 5 files here. Okay. Now just we want to tar. So we to use the tar command here. Tar and option like here we don't want to use the compress option. So just we use cgf. Okay. And the name of our archive like my archive, my first archive. Okay. We given the name .bar and what we can do just we can specify the like here we want to make archival of this file 1, file 2 and file 3. So just I want to make a archive of our etc full etc directory with 3 files, file 1, file 2 and file 3. And what will be the name of our tar file will be? Name of our tar file will be my first archive dot tar. So just hit enter. Now just use ls command here. Now you can see that our file is our each file are this file and directory are archived into a single tar file. But let's try to check the size of this tar file because we did not use the compression any compression option in tar. So here you can see that it's exactly 26 MB. So when we let's see the size of etc folder. So so you can see that somehow it's compressed to 3 MB, but here we did not use any compression method. It's basically compressed by the this tar is generally compressed by the automatically by the tar command. But here we did not use any compression technique. So you can also say tar has inbuilt compression. If you also not specify some option, then it will also compress some size. Okay. Like here you can see that our etc file, etc data size is 29 MB, but our tar file with these 3 blank file is 26 MB. So 3 MB is automatically compressed. But this is here we don't use the any compression method. Like here, if you want to compress, then here we can use the archive like yes, here we want compression. So what we can do now, like we can specify the Z parameter here. Here we want to use the Ganjip. Okay, Ganjip. It means our extension will be changed to the GZIP. Okay, why our extension will be changed? Because I already explained when we use the hyphen jet parameter, so it uses the Ganjip. So here our extension will be tor.gz. Okay, now just we can use the here. Okay, this time you can just tell us here. Now we have two archives. Okay, first one is the only archive, and second one is the uh, archival plus in second during the second archival we uses the compression method along with archival. So let's try to now this time you can see that size of our archival is compressed to 6.3 MB. Okay, so I already explained the Ganjip is the fastest method for fastest compression method, and it compress up to the 40 to 60% size. Okay. Uh, okay, let's try the two more options here which are available. Like here, we can also use the digit. For digit, what option we can use? We can use the J option, small J option. So here our extension will be the like BZ. Okay. So here our extension will be changed to the BZ. Sometimes you have to write to either okay, BZ2. If you are using BZ2, then you can use BZ2. So BZ2 is the latest one. So just I am using this, and now this time I change this to 2. Okay, so you can see that it is sometimes some slower than the Ganjip. But let's see the size. Okay, so just we can use the du hyphen sh, and now this time we want to know the size of my archive 2. Okay, so it's 5.5 MB. Okay, so it compares more than the Ganjip. Okay, but it comes slower than Ganjip. So let's try to one more option, which is XZ. So here we are going to use the capital J in our option, and here we will make it to 3. Okay, and here we have extension. Our extension will be changed to XZ. Okay, so you can see this is bit slower than um, Ganjip and also from Bijip too. Okay, but we will see what is the size after compression, because sometimes it's also important. Sometimes it's important to uh, store there. Like if you want to just store somewhere for archival purposes, our time is not important. Basically, archival time is not important, but we want great compression on our data, so we can use the extract. So select here, and now you can use the df-sh command. So this time, just you can see that now this time this size is down up to 4.4 MB. Whenever we see the when we try to select, we try to also this is Ganjip output, and this is the which is output. Okay, so you can see the size of you here because this is bit is lower, but its compression power is greatest among all these three. Okay, so XZ has greater compression power as compared to BG2 and Gunzip. But Gunzip is the faster way. So, as per your requirement, you can use these three compression and archival method. Okay, so let's talk about how we can just list some more option about this. Uh, like this is the basic how you can just make an archive. Let I have to just list the data of SDX. So what command I can use? Okay, like here, if you want to append a file, like here, I want to append the file. Then what we can use? So here, first of all, let I will show how you can just append one more file in this archival. So if you want to uh, um, append one more file, then you can just use the like tar hyphen r where command with this where, and if you want to integrate in jet, then you can also use the jet parameter here. And if you use the jet, then definitely you are going to use the Ganji. So just give the name like this is the our already made Ganji output. So here just I specify that. Okay. So and I want to add file 4 here. Okay. So this will be the simple syntax for this. Okay. Okay. So just we have to enter and file 4 will be added to this. So how you can just guess how, what is the content of this uh, Ganjit file, Ganjit archive here. Okay. So seeing that you can just use the which option as I already tell you. You have to also guess that. Okay. So are you able to guess? If you are not able, then I am going to tell you what you can use. You can just use the hyphen P option here. Okay. And for purpose you are using B and for file you are using C. Yeah. Okay. So right now just I want to use one. Okay. So just use this. Now this time you are able to see the content of that. So this is the content. So it's basically etc has many of the configuration file and it's showing file 1, file 2, file 3 is here and also somewhere file 4 will be also present. So how we can just verify that? So if you want to verify that, then you can also use the grep -i file 4 here. Okay, yes, it's showing file 3, but I think file 4 is not here. So which command we just give tar.gz. File 4 is not in this. Why? I think it will create a new. Okay, just tell us here first of all to see. Okay, this is my archive where just we want to add. So just copy it and use like we want to append one more file. So just what we can do, we can just use the TVF and I want to okay, and directly we can give the name and I want to add file 4. and file also. So just hit enter. What it's saying? File for not found. Okay, sorry. I have to append. I did not have to show the content of that file. It's basically if you have to append, then you have to use the R option there. Okay. So what is saying? Cannot update compressed archive. Error is not recoverable. Existing now. So okay. Here we are using the gun chip output, but here we have to specify the tire file only. So what we can do, just do this. Now this time, here we have to also give the same option there. So that's why. Okay, right now I hope my first archive.torch, yes, is there. And right now just we want to read the content of that tar file. So what we can do, just we can use the tar icon t v for verbose f for file, and we can just give the name of our file like my first archive.far. And if you want to see the specific file, then here you can specify. But here just I want to show the all information. So here you can see that we have the file 4 and 5 appended. If you want to just know the information about only one single file, then you can just specify here like here file 4. So it will show like file 4 is in here. If you want to just know about the file 4 and file. It's basically a searching method in searching technique. You can also see that. Like here, I want to just search for file 4 and file 5. I want to know file 4, either file 4 and file 5 are present in uh, any archive or not. So we can just use this command, and this command will show information. So these file 4 and file 5 are present in that archive. Okay. So this is the overall Santa, how you can append and how you can read the file and various option. Now this is time. You know how you can just let's here how you can just extract. So the same like here we have to use the tar command, but here for extraction, like if you want to extract like here I want to extract the first, I want to extract the simple archive file. It's basically not a compressed. So, okay. So here I can use the XVF. Okay. And now just we have to give the name like here, and you can just give. In the here you can also specify the output file directory. If you did not specify any output file directory, then it will go into the same directory. Okay, it means when we compress uncompress this, so all file will come here. All file will be uncompressed here. Okay, so that's it, the idea of this. But here you can also specify the like extraction directory. Okay, like here I extracted this, then it's basically extracted. Okay. So guys, are you able to know why our extracted file is not here? Because our extracted file are already here. So that's why we are not able to see here. Okay. Because when we extract my first archive that taught, it created the same files like etc file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, and only one can be read at one time. Okay, so that's why file are already there, so it's just overriding on that. Okay, that's why we are not able to see any other files there. Okay, so friends, this is the simple reason which I forget about that time. So just what we can do right now, we can just extract it to the different locations. So what is the command for extracting that? So command will be the same x e F, and it will be my first archive dot tar. Okay, now we have to say hyphen C, capital C will be here, and the location where we want to just extract. Okay, like I want to extract this location. Okay, so just hit enter and cd to that location. Like my location is home, Saurabh Singh, and just on desktop, I extracted on desktop. So go there and ls here. Okay, guys. Oh, yes, your extracted file is now here. So why you are not able to see there? So reason behind that is same file are already there. So that's why we are not able to see there. Okay. Sometime you can also face this. So guys, just we have to delete this. So I want to just delete the file with I just want to delete now etc. Okay, from here. Okay. Now you can see that etc is now not here. But when we extract by using the tar hyphen xbf, so just I am extracting at the same location. So what will be the output? So here you can see that a new etc file is here. Okay, it's basically come from this. Okay, we have to extract from I am just deleting the etc. Okay, I just deleted the etc directory here from here, and now just I have to extract the tor dot first I want to extract the ggzip. So what we can do? So just we have to like here you have to give the name like dot gz. Okay, and this is the one tar archive one tor.gz, and here you have to specify the like here you have to also specify uh, okay, so we don't have to do, just we have to specify your uh, name of archive. Okay, so let's see the output of ls here. Okay, so for extraction same command is used followed by the your archive. Either it is archived from the by using the Ganji, and either archived and compressed by using the Ganji. Either it is compressed by using the bzip. Uh, Extraction command is the same. You have to just use the like hyphen x parameter there, and you can also use the hyphen c for specifying the extraction location. Okay, so this is the very important command. You have to take backup of your when you have to take backup of your important configuration file like etc or some data files. Okay, so you can use the tar command for the same. Okay, tar command has also capability to restore at different server. Okay, tar command can extract and also different server location. Okay, so I just showed the all the basic concept of how you can just use the tar. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video.